Sinabi ni Presidential Spokesperson Secretary Ernesto Abella na ipinahihiwatig lamang ni Pangulong Duterte ang direksyon na nais niyang tahakin matapos niyang ianunsyo ang pagkakaroon ng Pilipinas at Amerika ng huling military exercises sa darating na Oktubre. Muli namang iginiit ni Abella na mananatiling matatag ang ugnayan ng dalawang bansa. May report sa Sweden Velado.
Matapos ihayag ni Pangulong Duterte na huling beses nang magkakaroon ng joint military exercise tulad ng balikatan ng US at Philippine troops sa bansa ngayong taon, sinabi ni Presidential Spokesperson Ernesto Abella na ipinahiwatig lamang ng Pangulo ang direksyon na nais niyang tahakin. Subalit wala pa aniyang konkretong timeline kung kailan mag-uusap ang dalawang kampo dahil posible namang itigil ang joint military exercises ng Pilipinas at Estados Unidos kung mapagkasunduan ito ng parehong bansa.
I suppose it is an inclusive statement. An inclusive statement that just sets the general tone and general direction that he wants our foreign policy to take. There are no definite dates, no definite timeline, but it's part of the president's intention. Okay, so there's actually no timeline set as of now.
Gayunman, iginiit ng palasyo na mananatiling matatag ang alyansa ng Pilipinas at Estados Unidos kahit pa nakikipag-usap na ang Pangulo sa iba pang mga bansa tulad ng Russia at China para paigtingin ang ating relasyon sa kanila.
The government runs, of course, on certain treaties and pacts which the President has said during his inaugural speech that he will honor and we will honor. However, there are also certain modifications in the relationship, and so the relationship remains solid according to the agreements, but also there will be other activities that will be more open to other nations too.
Para sa PTV News, Sweden Velado.